Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Gosai, welcoming you all to the next video of my office lab. Today, I will be talking about a special time-saving technique of MS Excel that was introduced in Excel 2013 and later versions. This technique is known as Flash Fill. So, what does Flash Fill do? It analyzes the information you are entering and automatically fills the data when it senses a pattern. Let me explain you with an example. So in this example, we have to enter the first and the last name in two different cells. In the first cell, I will be entering the desired value and will start typing the value in the second cell. And once Excel recognizes the pattern, it shows us the result in a light gray as preview. And that's the beauty of the flash fill. Now we just have to press the enter key and here is the results. The same thing we'll be doing for the last name. Again, it shows us the preview and we'll just press the enter key. And here are the results again. Before moving to the next example, if in case for some reason your Excel doesn't show you the flash fill preview, then might be your flash fill option would be turned off in your Excel. To make sure your flash fill option is turned on, I have put the link of my blog on flash fill in the description below, where I have explained the easy steps to switch it on. So go and check it out now. I have also attached the practice sheet which you can download and practice the same and gain the expertise on the topic. So let's move on to the next example. Flash fill can also be used in case of email addresses of the list. First of all, we have to tell Excel what exactly we want by entering the correct email address in the first cell. And then by just pressing the shortcut key Control E. And here is the result. Using shortcut key is another way of applying flash fill, and the shortcut for the same is Control E. Moving to the next, suppose we need an year or a month out of a date in a separate column. In this scenario as well, we can use a flash fill either by using a preview method or by using a shortcut Control E. Now, with the help of flash fill, we can combine the data without using any formula. However, it can separate the combined text values with a space, comma, semicolon, or any other special character. We just need to show the Excel the required punctuation in the first cell, like I am giving space between the first and the last name. And here are the results. One last important thing about flash fill. Flash fill is not dynamic as there is no formula behind it. If we change the source data, the result doesn't update automatically and we need to apply the flash fill again to that column. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if we were able to add some value to your Excel knowledge, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And yes, don't forget to download the practice sheet from the link mentioned in the description below.